Hello and welcome back to Lambretta-Lutz. Today I want to show you the remote rebuild of my dyno. Because I have now established NOS kit and can expect that maybe sooner or later, maybe I even have a completely blowing of the engine, I decided to make this dyno room remote control so that I will be not there inside when the engine gets exploded. So therefore, you see here, I have now two cameras established. One is inside the room that is streaming the picture directly to the laptop, and I'm outside with quite easy steering control. While the first run, and that is the very first test with a 2-in-1 exhaust. So you see that I still have some handling problems, how to set it up in the best way, but actually I can overlay the pictures. And while the recording is inside, I have here full power run. And you see, it is good, because if I would be inside here, I would be covered completely in smell. So this was the case that I had some slip on the back wheel, as well as the exhaust, the suction tube went away, as the pressure from the 2-in-1 was so strong that even the tube was burned after I saw it afterwards. So you see a lot of smoke inside, and the ventilator needs some time to back off with the smell out of the room. So anyhow, I had here through the slip not a dyno run of 60 horsepower that I had before with the 2-in-1 exhaust. I just had roughly 57. So therefore I make a second run just to check and get more familiar with the use. And you see during the time that the exhaust temperature on both barrels are not exactly the same, so that shows the indication that I have to make some setups with it. With the setup of the carbs as well. And because the tube was already off from the exhaust pipe, the smoke this time was even stronger. But the slip was equal, number a little bit higher, but almost equal, so it gives a good indication that from the thermical perspective, from the rest, it is a good setup. And I actually will test, if you see it in the middle of the picture, there are already the magnetoventiles and all the other stuff, and piranha vents are installed for the carbs as well. I can blind iron here in the picture. So it will become very interesting. I will start with a 2-in-1 exhaust first to see how the system in general is working. Here I switch off the engine, and you see that the delay of the streaming and of that what is happening is quite real time. So what I want to show is I have established now here already the piranha vents, and the NOS barrel is filled as well and is on the way. So I'm expecting that very soon I will have the first test drives with the NOS, and this time I will do it first with a 2-in-1 exhaust just to see if the system in general is working. And then when I'm fine to see how much extra power I can do with a 2-in-1, I will go for the 2-in-2 and the full throttle. So I hope you enjoy this presentation. And please subscribe, please comment, and leave a like, and watch out what is coming next. Thank you for watching.